Hi guys! So let's unbox this JBL speaker
Open it.
na gift
Open
nila
it,
sa
Dad.
akin daw.
Open it!
It's Christmas kasi mahilig daw akong
Download.
kumanta. Para rin
Download!
kumanta ang aking mga anak. And yeah,
Download!
this is $849 guys. Pero sale siya. So we bought it for magkano na lang ito anak? $578. Tapos may free na siyang sound gear, sunglasses. Ayan. And bumili rin kami ng mic na dalawa. $199 pero $144 na lang guys. Okay. Yay! Ang laki nito siguro guys. It's a big speaker. Can you help me? Can you help me, Daddy? Okay.
Mom,
Yes, Andre.
I want to shoot it. I want to shoot it. I want to shoot. Shoot. I want to shoot. I want to shoot. I want to shoot.
Tama yan eh. Yeah, it's correct. Okay. Oh, there you go. May isang side pa. Okay.
I love boxing.
Where is it?
Boxing.
Careful.
Yeah, I done. Mom, where did my bullet go?
Open.
I ran out.
Okay, tumba.
Kumbo.
Other side.
Kumbo. Bumbo. Kumbo. Daddy, please out.
Up the box.
Taas yung box.
The other boxy.
Yay!
For the TV.
I wonder how, I wonder to hide the
You
feet.
want to put it tight?
The hide
Side
the
this.
feet.
Go.
That's the hide the feet.
Ginawang ano na. It comes with, ano to? Oh, this is the remote.
Download my gun. Download my gun. Okay, that?
Not the remote, but the chop. Stop on. Cord.
That?
Yay.
That?
Yan. Yun yung gulong. So, paano yan? Taas. Alright!
That?
Katang kami na. Yay!
That's a big one.
It's a big one, guys. So, ready na for party.
That?
Thanks
It's
for
the hide the
watching.
feet.